An effective chart should be coherent, simple, concise, honest, and visually attractive. Now each tab will pop up to help you learn more. An effective chart should demonstrate coherent relationships among the data. For instance, the chart on your screen shows you the relationship between two variables, mean sea level and time in years. The formation of a pattern indicates a relationship, which appears to be linear in this case. Perhaps a way of determining this would be to try and compute the correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient will vary from -1 to +1. A -1 indicates perfect negative correlation, and a +1 indicates perfect positive correlation, while a 0.00 indicates no correlation. The main idea of the chart must be simple and obvious to the reader. To achieve simplicity, avoid complex coding schemes of color, shading, or symbols. Likewise, avoid using chart design as decoration for your page. Simplify comparisons across the data, but do not repeat information without good reason. If the complete data set cannot be charted, simplify it first by clustering, averaging, or smoothing. For instance, the points plotted on the graph by themselves are scattered. The red line traces the mean between 2 points, while the blue line further normalizes by selecting the mean between 3 points before and after the reference point. Thus, the points do indicate a relationship. The red line indicates that the relation is nearly linear over a slightly longer time interval, while it is more linear over a more longer time interval.